Did this the other day and it came out really good, so I'm going to go ahead and video it. Do it again. Oh, one left. Boom. $415 minutes. Good. Boom. Yeah. Boom, boom, boom. Ah, there we go. Look at that. Beautiful. All right, all right, all right. Yep. Nice and soft. Soft on the inside. Just gotta let them cool down a little bit. They're at 400 degrees, right? 350 right now. Anyways, quick and easy, simple prep, and very, very tasty. Oh, I did forget to salt them. What I did last time is I salted them before I put them in. So it was like baked into them. But anyways, roasted potatoes, pretty simple, and don't have to do it with a whole chicken, which is what my mother used to do and where I acquired my taste for these. Okay, we've let these cool down a bit. And we'll transfer them in there. A little more salt, because I like salt. You know I like salt. Okay, let's see how they go. Beautiful, beautiful. All right, there you go. Quick little treat. Happy day to ya.